was like a wonderful book club. So to get all the topics into one place, we need to put action, right? So I'm going to talk about this from this book, Magic of Thinking Big, how to create an action habit. So what I'll do is I'll just take two case studies and then later we'll compare these two case studies. Okay. So with a slideshow. So there was this guy, Mr. P. Okay, in Chicago, and he was unmarried in his late 30s. Okay. So why he was unmarried? Let us see. So he was actually seeing a lot of girls, and one was close to marriage also, but just one day before, it didn't work out. So finally, after seeing other set of girls, like he finally got to see one, and he was like, okay, I think she's the one whom I'm going to marry. Then everything was set. Then after like 4 5 days, he came up with some 5 page of document. What is the document about? What she is going to be, how I am going to see her, how we are going to spend time, how we are going to spend weekdays, how we are going to spend weekends, how much time we are going to invest, how much money we are going to invest, what habits she is going to break, what habits she is going to acquire newly. So it was like 5 page document. Okay, and he sent it to her. After sending, she was like, okay, bye bye, thank you. Okay, so then he was like, oh, marriage is a big thing, we need to be very careful, right? We agree that yeah, marriage is a big thing, we need to be careful, but you can't be that careful, right? So many times what the author tells in the book, the test of a successful person is not to eliminate all the problems at the first, not like that. Eliminate whatever is possible and then move on. When the problems come, then we can tackle it. That's how we have to do. This is about Mr. P. Then the second case study is about Mr. A. Mr. A is married and he has a wife, has a kid, and he's living in a nice rented apartment. And they always wanted to buy, like, make one new home for themselves. Okay, but this day, one day, what happened? This Mr. A was writing a check for rent, and he realized I can rather pay this to a bank, right? So finally, he decides and he goes to his wife and tells, next week we are going to buy a home. And his wife will be like, crazy, what happened to you all of a sudden? Next week we are buying a home. He was like, yeah, I've decided next week we're going to buy. I don't know how, don't ask me how. Okay, so next week he like, it actually does happen. Like by next week he finds a home near a neighborhood, but the catch is he has to pay $1,200 down payment. But he will not have that much money because his income is very modest. Then he realizes, okay, let me decide one thing. So actually, he could have bought it from a friend, but he didn't want it to be on credit so that it will affect mortgage or something like that. So what he does, he goes to his boss. Here, actually, he before going to his boss, he will break a agreement with the builder. I will give $1,200, split it into a year, $100 every month with interest. The builder agrees. Then he will cut $25 expenses from his monthly expense. Still $75 is left, right? So he will go to a boss and make a deal. Boss, you see, you will give me a hike whenever you desire, like you think I deserve it. So what I do, I see some work which is possible to be done in the weekend. So his boss appreciates his sincerity and ambition, and then he tells, okay, I'll give that $75. You can work 10 hours in the weekend. So by doing this, he will find this dream home, and he will actually make it his home, its own home. Okay. So thing is, he actually took a strong decision. He realized it, and then this decision gave him new confidence, and this decision and this confidence made him to realize, like, see some new opportunities. Okay. So now to compare and end it, I just share my screen, and I hope you're able to see the screen. So we'll just quickly see what was the difference. Okay. So Mr. A takes action. Okay, get things done. Mr. P postpone doing things until he has proved he shouldn't or can't do them. Okay. So Mr. A follows through on ideas and plans. He's a doer. Okay. Mr. P, he's a don'ter. Okay. Again, A plans vacation, takes it. Mr. P postpones it until next year. Okay. These are some examples between activationists and passivationists. Okay. Drops a note to someone he knows to congratulate him on some achievement. Who is doing activationist? What passivationist does, finds a good reason to put off writing it, and it never gets written. Okay. So what Mr. A wants to go into business for himself, he does. Mr. P, he discovers just in the nick of time a good reason why he had better not. Okay. So Mr. A again get things done that he wants. Mr. P, he doesn't get things that because he won't act. Okay. So Mr. A, as a byproduct of all this, he gains confidence, a feeling of inner security, and more income, obviously. But Mr. P, he loses confidence, he destroys his self-reliance, and lives in mediocrity. Okay, so we know every day thousands of people bury good ideas because they're afraid to act on them. Okay, and afterward, the ghosts of those ideas come back to haunt them. Right. So we know like so many things we have done before also. So if we know ideas but we don't act, guys, it will be like a psychological pain. But if we really act, it will give mental satisfaction to us. And if we have fear, acting cures fear. Without action, there is the fear will not go. So this is like more of a problem statement what I told. Next week I'll cover about how we can develop the habits of action and cure it with my real life example. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share. Thank you so much.
Superb. Both of you, you both of you complement your topics beautifully. In fact, one of the very nicely presented Karthik, get the action habit beautifully covered. I really loved it, the presentation, and then sharing two stories and then comparing and then coming to conclusion, and also keeping an audience intact with curiosity. When is the Bahubali part 2 coming? Please tell us. So next week people have to come to listen this. Amazingly, ended as well, Karthik. Great.